Hello you, it's me. Now I am so impressed with all that incredible work that you guys are doing at that company. It's just brilliant to watch. Who are we sending this video to again? And you know that you are in safe hands with us because our mantra is quality, quality, quality. Everything we do is executed to the highest possible standard. Are you sure we don't need a few more likes? Look, I know you work in social care, but we've had these incredible results with this arms manufacturer just based on the other side of the world. It will absolutely blow your mind. Are you sure that that's the most relevant case study that we should be using for this one? You think? Our customer service is second to none. We pride ourselves on being friendly and approachable, and are never afraid to raise a smile if we think it might help things. Can't help but feel like it's just missing something. We had this one customer and we managed to just show them all this great stuff that we did. I had to go on a bus, well, not on a bus, it was more of a coach. I use Microsoft Word. My gran quite likes that proposal. She loves using Word. And I never quite understood why people who shower in the morning are happy getting into bed dirty. I mean, just doesn't make any sense. You know, someone took my pen in the DT class when I was a kid, and you know, I've never been comfortable doing technical drawing since. You think we might just want to cut that section down a touch, trim a tiny bit off? Just felt like I might have been going on a smidge. So yeah, work with us if you want. Do you think we might need to flesh that out just a tiny bit? Can't help but think it feels a little bit thin. Now, I'm probably going to call you straight after this because I know how much you're going to want to speak to me after this. But what I'm also going to do is I'm going to give you my kid's number because I'm having to do quite a lot of driving around to parties at the moment. So if you ring, which you probably will, then you'll probably be able to speak to my son, and if I'm driving, he'll be able to put you on speakerphone and we'll still be able to keep on the conversation. You know, so yeah, I look forward to speaking to you now. Was that just a tiny bit pushy? You know, I felt like I might have overstepped the mark just a little bit, but I want to get that conversation started. I have got those targets to hit.